Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Airbnb booking not confirmed. First, check your email and then app notifications for any booking updates. Some BNB require host approval, so confirmation may take time. Next, make sure your payment was successful. If the payment is failed or pending, it will not be confirmed the booking. So go ahead and go to your trips or booking center in the app and then check the status of your reservations. If the booking is still pending, wait for the host to accept your request. Some hosts take a few hours to respond. You can also contact the host directly through the app to ask about the status of your booking. If the issue continues, your payment was deducted without confirmation, contact Airbnb support for assistance. That's how you fix the Airbnb booking not confirmed. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.